Effective mind diversion techniques. How to divert your mind from negative thoughts and depression. Welcome to Natural Healing Guides. In today's motivational video, we are going to explore 3 effective ways to divert the mind from negative thoughts. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing now by clicking the subscribe button. Negative thoughts give birth to depression, and this will definitely get you crushed. It kills self-esteems and buries it. You cannot get rid of depression if you cannot manage those negative thoughts that continually pop up on your mind. You can do this by 1. Identifying them. These thoughts are relatively connected and they have almost the same set of attributes. When you see these signs, know that they are present. Self-blame. Predicting negative occurrences. Being in search of bad news. Over-pondering on a little fault. 2. Letting them go. Negative thoughts tend to linger more when we fight or hold on tightly to them. The next time a downgrading thought comes in, don't fight it, just quietly take your mind off it. When it continually loses your attention, it will realize it's time to pack up and leave. 3. Replacing them with soul-uplifting ones. Sometimes, the best way we can help ourselves get away from negative thoughts is by correcting them immediately they come up. If you're wondering how you will ever be able to do it, relax. You can do this by looking for the next positive thing that replaces that thought. For instance, if you start thinking, "I don't think I will pass that exam," replace it with thoughts like, "I will pass it if I give myself to studying for it." With this, you've been able to disable the negative thought, and you can make it permanently disabled by working with your resolved positive thought. Your mind is very powerful. With it you can build or destroy your life. Don't let anything tamper with your success and peace. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.